Well, this video aims to provide an in-depth exploration of Mi Mover alternatives. We'll begin with an overview of Mi Mover, highlighting its user guide. Following that, we shall present fair reviews of Mi Mover and the top 6 replacements for this tool. Part 1. Brief overview of the Mi Mover app. What is Mi Mover? Mi Mover is a mobile app developed by Xiaomi to facilitate the transfer of data to Xiaomi smartphones. Does Mi Mover work for all data types? No. The app generally transfers files such as photos, videos, contacts, messages, songs, documents, and apps at high speeds, up to 6 megabytes per second. How do I transfer between Xiaomi devices via Mi Mover? Activate Wi-Fi on both Mi or Redmi devices. Go to Settings, Additional Settings, Mi Mover. Choose Sender and Receiver. Connect by scanning QR code. Select Files. Mark items. Press Send to transfer. Part 2. Pros and Cons of Mi Mover. Benefits. Easily downloadable on mobiles. Supports multiple data formats. Pair devices via QR code for instant transfer. Speed up to 6 megabytes per second. Faster than Mi Cloud. Ensures file safety with security protocols. Drawbacks. Frequent disconnections occur. Slow data transfer. Wi-Fi connection fails. Non-Xiaomi device transfers not supported. Issues with specific data transfer. Part 3. Top 6 best Mi Mover alternatives. Top 1. Weekend transfer for mobile. So, what is the alternative app for Xiaomi Mi Mover? Mobican transfer for mobile Win and Mac is highly skilled in transferring different types of data between any two phones or tablets. How to transfer data without Mi Mover using Mobican transfer for mobile. Step 1. Install. Begin by installing and opening Transfer for Mobile on your computer. The program's main interface will prompt you to connect both of your Xiaomi or other phones to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Make the connection for both devices using 2 USB cables. Once connected, the tool will detect them. Ensure that the source device is displayed on the left and the Xiaomi device on the right. If the order is incorrect, you can click Flip to adjust it. Step 3. Move. After the recognition on the interface, choose the data types you wish to transfer and click Start Copy to initiate the transmission. Once completed, disconnect the devices and verify all transferred data on the recipient. Top 2. Phonodog Phone Transfer. As one of the most advanced apps like Mi Mover, Phonodog Phone Transfer offers smooth data transfer between iOS, Android, and computers. It supports various file types, including contacts, messages, media, and more. Top 3. Transfer Pro. While Mi Mover is praised for its speed and simplicity, it falls short in transferring WhatsApp data. Mi Phone's Transfer Pro is an ideal alternative, swiftly moving WhatsApp data from devices to PCs. Top 4. Xiaomi. Does Xiaomi have another data transfer app? Sure. Xiaomi's Xiaomi app serves as an alternative to Mi Mover, allowing file transfer via P2P. Top 5. ShareIt. ShareIt facilitates offline file sharing across devices via a private hotspot, supporting up to 5 devices without transfer limits. Top 6. Cloniet. Cloniet, an Android app by CAD Apps, simplifies easy data transfer between phones, without cables or networks, with speeds up to 20 meters per second. This tool is 200 times faster than Bluetooth. It supports various data types like contacts, messages, apps, files, calendars, and system settings.